Sadya, very good. Ni 5:30 last year. Masuk.
Then masan finals production.
Si Augo Penis ko, no? Katipay. Si Augo Penis.
Taas kay energy.
Kasi, depende lang sa availability sa kuan. Basta i-assist sa itong kuan.
Sa balay ka. Ay, ganun sa balay.
6:30 ang first game.
Kita 8:30.
O, di mga 7, di ko. Mga 8:30 yan. Good morning, magandang araw. This is now the semi-final match for the SU College Intrams Women's Volleyball Competition. So the first point goes to the College of Arts and Sciences. So this is the first semi-final match. Still this is 2 out of 3 and it is being played here at the Monapel inside the Silliman campus. This is the second serve for the College of Arts and Sciences. So this team in yellow and black is the CBA. Serving is Temprosa, my former number 1 setter of the junior high school. Umatake ang Arts and that was inside. 2 serving 1. Ang ganda ng panahon this morning. And there's a nice dig by the libero and that was inside according to the line judge. Pierre Sinador, former varsity player but stopped and I was allowed to play for after 1 year of being out of the varsity. Spike and puntos for CBA in sublead. Sinador still serving, it's 3 serving 2. An open set, paghasian, ni Sikihor. Deadlock at 3-0. So this game is officiated by the SU Women's Volleyball Varsity Team. Take at walang kumuha. My former students sa junior high. Wow, ang ganda nun, oh. Back row at deadlock at 4-all. So yung aming mga varsity players are very active in officiating. A drop. Want to play by Brian Pintosa and Pumuntos being 4 again. This is a 2 out of 3 semi-final match. Ang lakas ng serve pero yun nakuha. Just a push, Lopez, and there was an uncontrolled receive. So nagdatingan na yung mga cheerers ng both teams. If you will ang lakas. If you will notice, talagang nilagyan namin ng rope, no? Kasi yung sa dami ng mga estudyante pumapasok, kaya we need to prevent mga untoward game interruptions. That was outside. It's another deadlock at 6-all. So actually, isum nyo lang, makikita nyo yung score sa table. Attack error for the College of Arts and Sciences. 6-7, set number 1. Set at the middle. At nag-want to play ang setter. Natin. Good. Open by Lopez. Lock. Still save. Lopez again. Wow, ang ganda. Wow, nakuha ni Christine. Sa middle. So sa push. Medyo matas ang rally. Binigay sa gitna. Another spike and block. And natin ang taas ang rally. middle. There's a drop. Subalit hindi pumasok. Another deadlock. So, close match. Kasi nga, lahat gustong mapasok sa finals, of course. And, wow, ang ganda. That was in. Change of lead. Ganda ng laro. So, after this will be, wow, unforced error in service. Deadlock at 8-4. Lopez to serve. Good save. The middle at nahulog sa gitna. 9 serving 8. Ang lakas. Sa outside. It's a tense game kasi nga semifinals. Okay, my former number 1 setter. That's Dri Temprosa. Okay, senior student sa CBA. Sa gitna, Senador. And there's a miscontrol. Receive. 10 serving 9. Change of lead na naman. Tingnan natin kung ito. There's a tip and there was a block. Wow, there's a good block by the setter. By the opposite player. But this is the largest lead of 2 points. 11 serving 9. And that was in. 10 serving 11. And tingnan natin. Hindi na na-save. Nag-outside ng bola. Right. Deadlock na naman at 11. So once again, wow, an ace serve. Change of lead na naman. Ganda ng serve. Si Mi Lopez, binigay sa opposite by Senador. Nakuha. Open ng AS by Christine. Free ball. Binigay sa middle. And there's a block. There's a block. Ouch! Uncontrolled. Senador serving. Again, it's 12 all. Super close. Mas paghasian. It's Miss Sikihor. Binigay sa middle. And at that point, for the middle player, 13, serving 12. Another change of lead. Good serve by Senador. Ouch! Yan natin. Free ball. Anong play? Ibinigay ulit sa gitna. And walang tao. Point. Okay, so nag-time out ang College of Arts and Sciences. Wala silang coach. Right, there was a timeout called by the College of Arts and Sciences. Their first timeout. Pagasian attack. What? Another middle attack ng CBA. Wow. Outside. So far, this is the largest lead at 3. Back row. What ni Lopez. Binigay sa opposite. Subalit ayun. Hindi pumasok. 13 serving 15. Ang sunod nating maglalaro ay ang College of Engineering at College of Education. And that was in for CBA. 16 serving 13. Ang ganda ng serve. Dinerecho, 1 to play, nakuha. And Lopez. Outside. Outside block. 4 na ang lamang. 17 serving 13. Unforced error in service. 14 serving 17. That's College of Arts and Sciences in black and red. Binigay kay Lopez. Nakuha. Subalit. Miscommunication sa kabila. It's 18 serving 14. Ang ganda naman ng serve. Kaya yun nag-ace. Resume ball game after the second and last time out ng Arts and Sciences. 19 serving 14. Ang ganda ulit ng serve. Wow! So I have no idea kung sino na napili ng officiating group, kung sino ang best server. Ayun, nag-outside tuloy. There was a substitution made. sa College of Arts and Sciences. Oh, ganda ng serve pala. That's good. Ito, free ball. Kuha ng libero, binigay sa middle. Good dig sa libero. Inulit sa gitna. Nakuha pa rin. Subalit yun, may miscommunication dun. Still serving 20. Set. Lopez attack. Nakuha ng libero sa kabila. Wow, good. Miscontrolled. Receive. So there you are. Napatawag ng timeout ang CBA. So 17-20. Nag-transfer tayo ng location para mas maganda ang ating view. There's a dig. And I want to play. Ang ganda na nakuha ng... Wow! What a nice highlight para sa Arts and Sciences. Balik sa dalawa na lang. Ang lead. Wow! An ace! Ang ganda ng serve. Ang dali. Naging isa na lang from 5-point lead. Another good serve. Nag-over-receive siguro. Oh, natin. Ito. Free ball. And Lopez attacks. Good. Subalik at ang force error. 20. Serving 18. There's a rotational fault. A positional fault was called against College of Arts and Sciences. So, nakaregalo ng isa. Outside, according to the referee and the line judge. And this is set number 1 of the 2-3 semi-final match. And over-receive. And attack by Lopez. Bigyan sa gitna. So, balik. So, yan yung cheerleader ng CBA. Set point for CBA. Wow. Yan natin kung matatapos ba. Push by Senador. Binigay sa gitna. Inulog. Nakuha. And ito. Free ball. Yan natin sa open. Oh, kumakapit pa. Kapit pa. 20-24. At ayun tapos ang laban sa set number 1. Alright, now this is now set number 2 for the semi-final match between CBA and CAS or CAS. This is the first rally of the first set. And there's an attack, nakuha. Hindi sa middle. And want to play. Gitna ulit. Good dig by the libero. And subalik na nag-outside ang atake ni Villacampa. Wow, na-timing sa whistle. That was fine. That was fine. And 2 puntos na. Angkas. 2-0. Another good serve. Hindi masyadong control pero ang ganda ng set. Ito, tinusok lang. And sa middle ulit. And ayun, pumuntos. Another good serve. Binigay sa middle with Senador. Nakuha ng libero. Christine ang Miss Sikihor. Post and spike by Lopez. Middle. Another dig. May aeroplano sa itaas. May aeroplano sa itaas. Intermission. But that was outside. Natawa yung first referee kasi yung award niya dito. Eh dito yung nag-commit ng outside. So they are actually former varsity players. Outside attack ng CAS. 2 serving 3 again. Si Brianna Timprosa is serving. My former setter sa high school kaya may idea talaga sa play. Many times regional player. Pero ayun. This is how intense ang Siliman intro. And nag-ace ang serve ng setter. And outside down. 3 serving 5, set number 2, semi-final match number 1. And ito si Aero. Malaya pa naman ang laro, so di pa natin alam kung sino nanalo dito sa set number 2. And bumalik dito sa kabila. Bilya Campa serving for CBA. Ikanta ng serve. Ito free ball. Natin anong play ang gagawin. Binigay sa middle pero hindi ready. Nakuha sa libero. Paghasian. And Lopez over-receive. Ibinigay sa opposite. Wow. Oh, ganda. Ouch. Sana wala lang. 5 serving 6. Isang puntos na lang. Free ball. Ibinigay sa open with Lopez. Subalit outside. Walang ball check. Christine Pagasian. From Sikyo. Open. Lopez. Sa middle. Ganda. Ball check. Wow. Umaaway ngayon ang Arts and Sciences. 8 serving 5. Set number 2. Semi-final number 1. An ace by Paghasian. First time out of the second set called by CBA. So, actually itong dalawang team na to ay nasa top 4 last year. So, expected actually. It's 9 serving 5. I guess this is the largest lead mula sa inside. Oh, so this can be the largest lead at 5, no? 10 serving 5. Still serving is Christine Pagasian. Lopez, ang tandang dig ng libero. Also miscommunication kasi yung set, no? Kakalito. So, sayang yung ganon. Dribble tapos, eto na. Ouch. Hindi pumasok. Araneta. Service specialist siguro kasi nag-sub. Dumiretso. Middle. Good. Dribble. Subalit ito. Ganda. Wow! Ang ganda naman nun. Parang bang varsity, oh. With Lopez. Marunong mag-anticipate itong libero. Yun. Subalit nag-outside. 7 serving 12. Receive ng Arts. Ibinigay sa middle ulit. Subalit hindi na timing. Kaya ito natin Senador. And good dig by the libero. Offense spike. Ball check. Matangkad na player pero hindi pumasok ng varsity. It's Alcoriza. Ang ganda ng serve. At ayun nag-ace. 14 serving 7. This can be the largest lead. Kasi kanina may nag-lead hanggang 5. Lopez to serve for CBA. Tingnan natin ito. Pulse. Ang first error sa atake. Super ganda ng weather. Hindi mainit. Kasi medyo makulimlim ang kalangitan. That was an ace serve. So that's 10, serving 14. Ganda ng serve. Lopez, yung nga, former player ng NO. Binigay sa gitna. 5-point lead. That's Sanchez of the College of Arts and Sciences. Yan natin. Iyakampa. Nakuha. Saan ibibigay? Tapos paghasian. Sa gitna, with Senador. Free ball. And hindi na control. Big. Maaga pa kasi kaya ito. Wala masyadong katao-tao pero marami na yan. Oh, a lefty. Left-handed attack. It's the last day of the intramural, so lahat ng laro sa umaga ay mga semifinals. Ngayong hapon ay mga championship na. Senador attack, and that was inside for Senador. 12 serving 16. Yan natin. There's a drop. Sa gitna. Macro attack by Lopez. Oh, ang ganda ng anticipation ni Sanchez doon. Dinaretso, on to play. Pagasian. Oh, ang ganda. Takbo, good save. Rebound. At hindi pumasok. Naging communication sa kabila. Oh, it's 20. Serving 12. Largest lead. Ang layo naman. 13. Oh, hindi pala. 13. Akala ko 20. 13 serving 17 pa pala. Good block by Alcoriza. Tingnan natin saan ibibigay. Ibigay sa gitna. Good. Nakuha. And one to play. Ito. Ganda ng rally. Free ball. Yan natin. Gitna ulit. Ay, subalit. 14 serving 17. Villacampa to serve. At ito, nasa harapan na si Lopez, yung number 1 player ng CBA. Lopez, tumalon. Resume ball game after that timeout called by College of Arts and Sciences. Free ball. At hindi pa napuntulan libero. Pero sa substitution made, si Paghasian ay lumabas. Pumasok si Bunukan. Ito sila. Yan natin, Sanchez. Lopez, itinulak. Good. Lopez again. Sanchez. Want to play by Brianna. Sanchez. Lolo sa gitna. And Lopez. Ito. Medyo matagal ang rally. Good. Another push. Want to play. Ito, good. Isa pa. Outside na. 19. Serving 15. Lopez. That was inside. Wala yung nalilito sa score. Hindi kasi, nakatagilid kasi. And, ang service reception error by Pagasian. So, it's 17 serving 19. Again, this is set number 2. Pag nanalo ang item dito, magkakaroon tayo ng deciding set. Pag natalo, tapos ang laro. Good defense by Sanchez. Oh. Want to play by Timprosa. At ito tinatin. Push by Lopez. Na There's a joust. Iginit na ulit. Ito, ang tagal. This can be the longest rally. Gitna. Natin. Auto open kay Sanchez. Nagkakalituhan na. Kasi nga intense ang laro. Lahat gusto manalo. Ito, Lopez, subalit. Wow, ang ganda. Because your side. Yan yung mga assist referees natin, line judges or mga varsity players ng high school at college. Binulog ni Sanchez, nakuha. So, ang player na to may iniinda ito na injury last year pa. Kaya tinan yung tuhod. Ang ganda ng serve ni Alcoriza. Free ball. Ito, tinan natin. Ay, naku, sayang. Lopez serving for CBA. It's 19 serving 21. Again, this is set number 2. Pag nanalo ang CBA, tapos ang laro, subalit ayun, nag-unforced error si Lopez. 22. Serving 19. Sa gitna, Senador, nakuha. Subalit hindi nag-over ang bola ng Arch. 20 serving 22. Coach. Free ball for CBA. Sa gitna, ito nakuha natin. Sa gitna rin, inulog at ayun, hindi na-anticipate. So tumawag ng timeout ang CBA. Score is 23 serving 20 and I'd like you to see the sky here. Yan, actually, yan, pinapalibutan tayo ng acacia. That is what Siliman is known for. So there's a timeout called by the Arts and Sciences, by the CBA. Score is 23-20. And unforced error ni Senador. Set point for CBA. For Arts and Sciences. So we'll go for the third. Oh! Dapat. Hindi pa natin masiguro. 21 serving 24. Baka ma-Japan ito versus Italy. Push. There's a push. Tingnan natin. Ito. Free ball. At tapos ang laro. So magkakaroon tayo ng set number 3. Okay, so still processing for set number 3. What a semi-final match. So ito na. This is it. This will be a do or die set to advance to the finals for these both teams. And this is it. The third and final set, so they will be switching court by the score of 13. First serve goes to Arts and Sciences. First point goes to AS. Ito na. Siguro SU Camera Club. And second point goes to AS with that service ace. Thank you nga pala sa aming former varsity si Wendell kasi nakairam tayo ng power bank at nakakontinue tayo sa pag-take ng video. Wow! That's by Perol. 3 serving 0. Another good serve. Ewan ko lang kung may choice ba yung mga players ko dito as a best server award. Binigay sa middle, hinulog. Double touch violation for the setter. Rihanna serving. Ang ganda rin ng serve. Nag-ace pa. 2 serving 4. At ayun, miscommunication. Ang dali lang. From 0 to 4, naging 3-4. And an ace. Wow! Ang ganda naman ni Bre. Early time out ng AS. Kasi nag 4-all, no? That's a good time out actually. Kasi apat na sunod-sunod na points even to the other side. First deadlock at 4-all. This is the do or die set. Set number 3 for the first semi-final match. Tirol and post error again sa atake. It's a 5-0 run for the CBA. Sanchez, ilulog at hindi na control. Second deadlock, 5-all. Service ace for Sanchez. Oh, ang ganda. Ball check. Dalawang service ace. Ang lamang sa College of Arts and Sciences. Ito pa. Nasok. Hindi sa middle. Ilulog. Villacampa. Tinusok. Middle again. Subalit ito. Nag-overset. Nag-over-receive naman. Takot na. Takot na mga players. Umawak ng bola. Senador. At ayan. Positional fault. Palagi na lang. Yes, a positional fault committed by Arts and Sciences. At ito, nag-7-all. Pagkasian. Pinusok lang. And that was inside. Walang kumunga. Really an intense semi-final match. Tumang-tunga dito sa good. Pagkasian. At subalit, sayang naman. Deadlock at 8-all. Over-receive. 1-2 play. Outside. According to the line judge. 9 serving 8. With unlock serving. Set. Oh, nako. Error. So, yung mga coaches hindi na mapalagay. Love the setter. Sure serve ang ginawa. Diniretso naman ng kabila. Kaya natin binigay sa middle, nag-lefty at nag-outside. Yung mga sayang pag free ball tapos yung nasa advantage na team pa ang magkakamali. Pero anyway, part of the game, there's a push. Ito, nakasarapan na si Lopez. Ayan, yung atake ni Pagasian ay medyo controlled na. Back attack ni Sanchez. Ang gandang pagkalagay. Ito, tinan natin. Ito. Okay, let's assure. Mahina pero puntos. So, substitution for the service specialist. Talaga naman. Worth it. Ganda ng serve. Ito, tinan natin Pagasian. Tinusok. Good. Inside. Hindi sa gitna. Hindi na punto na maayos. Lopez. At ang ganda ng strike ni Lopez. 10, serving 11. So, magsi-switch score tayo ng 13 dahil nga this is the deciding set. At ang post error sa kabila. To switch tayo. Wow, yun. Want to switch. So, switch score tayo. Right. So, resume ball game after the switch score after checking the rotation done by the second referee. I'm proud to say it's my son that's following my footsteps. Ito. Nakuha. Sanchez. And that was inside for Sanchez. Pagasian still serving for Arch and Sanchez. Ito free ball. Nag-double touch. 15 serving 10. Nisecure still serving. Lopez. At nakuha. Tingnan natin. Set by unlap. Sanchez. Nagkamali tuloy. Rasa to serve for CBA. So serve. Hindi sa gitna. Standing spike si Alcoriza. So balik hindi na. Ayos ang kan. Control. Sanchez. Yan. Middle attack by Senador. 16 serving 11. The final set. Ito. Free ball. Pushed by Lopez. Gitna. Hulog. Lopez again. Unusual area. Lagi siya nakakapuntos doon. It's 12-16. That was inside. Pumasok ulit yung team captain ng Arts and Sciences. Ang ganda naman ng serve. Ito, free ball. Roll. Kahit hindi pumasok ang attack. It's 7 serving 13. Sanchez. Wow, okay lang. And Villacampa. Outside. Takot ng mataw. Yeah, it's Villa Flores pala, hindi Villacampa. Sorry. Villa Flores. Ito. Oh! Another error. First time out pa ng CBA. So yan, tinan nyo. Ganito ka-intense ang influence sa Siliman. May mga banda pa at iba pa. Right, resume ball game after that first time out called by CBA. Score is 19 serving 13. Serve, ang ganda. Yan natin. There's a push by Senador. Biniga sa gitna. At ito hindi na na-control. Senador push. Biniga sa gitna. Ito. Good. Nice one. So open kay Pagasian. Wow! Magdadalawang isip. Headbutt na natin. Macro attack ni Lopez. At ayun pa. Yan, napatawag ng timeout ulit. Dapat naman. Kasi nga ayan, oh. Score natin ay 21-23. So, pag nanalo ang CBA, ang AS dito, it will be a come from behind one match. And this will be the first time. At ayun pa, nag-ace ang serve ni Sanchez. 23 serving 13, 10-point lead. 10-point lead. So, after how many? Siguro 2 decades. At aabot din sa finals ang AS. Noon, napakalakas ang AS dahil nga marami silang colleges dahil ngayon medyo nagseparate yung ibang department kaya medyo kumunti yung mga gagaling na players. Eto na, and wow, so di natin ikakat ang video. Match point for AS, match point for AS. Di natin ikat ang video. Match point for AS. Ito na. Ang ganda ng serve, subalit nag-outside. The game is not over till it's over, pero napakahirap. 10-point lead, 24 serving 14. So magsaya na ang AS. Kasi napakahirap na. Ayun. So, tingnan lang natin. It's 15 serving 24. Good reception. Ibinigay sa back row. And that's it. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Ayan. And ayun. Wow.
Galing sunod, Coach.
Like it. Yes.
Team captains, both teams